So everything like a text field has a model behind it. They call it a document. A list has a model behind it. And that makes it really easy to set things up here. So let's first of all take a look at what the list does. I knew I missed a step when I did the slides. I'm going to set up a to-do list model. This is what a swing list looks at to describe what goes on the screen. I'm creating what's known as an adapter here. This is going to be an abstract list model from Swing who has two methods, getElementAt and getSize. This allows the Swing's list to say, hey, how many elements are there? Give me the first one, give me the second one, give me the third one, give me the fourth one. And then he displays those on the screen. Nice and simple, right? I'm taking advantage of this abstract list model to override those two guys in terms of my to-do list. So how many items are there? Swing asks. He calls this method. I interpret that as get the items and tell me how many are there. Get me the nth item. I say get my items and get the nth item out of it. Pretty simple adaptation there. We'll talk more about the adapter pattern in a later session. And then set model. Once again, that same type of pattern. If I had one, stop listening to it, set the model, and then if I have a new model, start listening to it. Fire contents change will tell the list on the screen that something's changed. This listener up here, where I'm listening to the items in the list, I'm going to call fire contents changed as well. So if the list changes, the JList on the screen should change as well. Now for each item on the screen, by default, it goes to the object and says toString to figure out what goes in the list on the screen. That's not a great